Make the most of your summer with an experience combining the best of Southern California. We are pleased to announce the FLS Los Angeles Getaway. The FLS Los Angeles Getaway includes all the ingredients of a classic California experience, including sandy beaches, the glamorous sights of Greater Los Angeles, and the most famous amusement parks in the world. Adventurous student travelers can experience the Los Angeles Getaway from June 24th through August 4th. You'll see the amazing sights, engage in leadership and public speaking workshops, and weekly volunteer opportunities. For more information about the FLS Los Angeles Getaway, contact your local agent or visit www.fls.net to book your trip today.